Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add music on YouTube Shorts. Alright, open YouTube and click on plus central screen and click on add sound and search and find your music and click on. Alright, and search and write. Click on. Okay.
Use.
And start recording. Stop and click on accept and check. Click on next. Caption your shorts. Hello. Click on done. Click on pencil. And finish your moment and press done. Visibility public. Public all people, members only. Alright, and unlisted. Copy link and search your friend and private. Okay, public. And after find your data and press OK. Time AM, PM. Click on 1. Alright. Publish now, public. Okay. Audience. No, it's not made for kids. And click on save drafts or upload short. Alright, that's all. Bye.